is Anne? Your pulse has quickened.
That is none of your goddamn business.
Everything of yours is my business, Eddie. We have no secrets.
Yeah, well, then you know exactly why I'm going here before we get to your rocket, huh?
Sure, I'm not unreasonable.
You ready?
I gotta get up there, man.
I got love for you, bro, but no can do.
There is no such thing as can't.
I'm sorry, man.
Okay, can you, just give him this. He needs to see.
Wait, please. I really need this job.
Let's eat his brains.
No, you don't touch him. He's my friend.
What's wrong with you?
Okay, he's forced to have 3 jobs to support his family.
Hey, what's going on?
We're leaving.
We.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Just stay back!
Yeah.
Shit.
You want help? Why didn't you just say? It is peaceful over here.
I'm not very good with heights.
Your world is not so ugly, after all. I'm almost sorry to see it end.
What does that mean? Where did you go? Where did you go?
I got us.
Oh.
Again? You're gonna get me killed.
You die. I die.
Yeah, but you could always just shed my carcass and exchange it for another one whenever you need.
Why would I do that? You are far too good of a match to throw away so soon. Plus, I'm starting to like you. You and I are not so different.
Thank you. Okay. Here's your evidence.
Jump. Pussy.